Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see how to print zigzag pattern by using the greater than and smaller than symbols. So first we'll execute our code. So here it is asking for enter the size of the sign. That We'll give 3, and you can see here that first three alphabets are greater than, and then after the third alphabet, and that is the last one here, you can see this, it is printing from here. The smaller than symbols are printing from here diagonally, and the whole pattern is making a zigzag way, a zigzag pattern. So for that we'll see our codes. That is, first we have declared a function using the def keyword and given the function name zigzag. Then we have passes a parameter size. Now for the loops we are using for loop, and we have given for I in range, then we are giving the range that to size. Then for the columns we are giving for j in range, and for giving this spaces, this space we have used a print function, and then we are given a blank space, and then we have given the blank end so that it will get printed in the new line. And now we are in the first, now in this loop we are printing, now in the row we will print the greater than symbol. Now it will be repeated for the number of for this for the number of elements the user will provide here, the user will give. Now again, for the smaller than symbol, we are using this. So for the rows we are using for I in range, then we are giving the size, parameter size. And then for the columns for z in range, and this time we have to give the column in this way, that we want to start our column from here, and then we want to finish it at the first place. So for that we are doing size, then we are subtracting I, and then we are again subtracting 1. And then for the spaces we are printing using the printing function, we are printing space, then we are using the end, a blank end, and then we are printing the smaller than symbol. And for taking the input of the size, we have used the input function, and we are printing enter the size of the sign. And to convert that input into integer, we are using the integer function, and we are storing this input value in a variable size. And then we are calling our function zigzag size, and then we're giving the argument size. I will again run the code. You guys will see that in a zigzag pattern our greater than and smaller than symbols has been printed. So thanks for watching the video.